How to create a content for your website for your affiliate marketing within just 90 seconds without you even writing a single word. That is what we're going to be seeing today in this video. So I'm going to be showing you a software which is going to help you create content for your affiliate marketing in any niche that you prefer in just 90 seconds. So I've got a software which I'm going to be showing you a software demo, and in that you would see how you can just type in the keyword for a particular subject that you want a content to be made, and then that software is going to create content for you. It is going to be unique, and then you can just copy and paste onto your website, to your blog, wherever you want. You can even resell them to your clients. Okay, so let's see the software demo in which you're going to be seeing the content which is pretty much done for you. So let's see the software demo.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and if you're watching this video, then I want to welcome you to the official demo video of Create 2.0, which we've been working on relentlessly for the last 10 months. And if you have no idea what Create actually is, this is actually our very powerful artificially intelligent web app that will write perfectly readable content for you in any niche in under 90 seconds. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works inside of this demo video. Not only will it write content for you, but also content for your client sites as well. Now, one of the biggest updates that we've done in version 2.0 is we've massively improved the AI writing engine that powers Create. So we went out there and we secured a much bigger AI model so that it can not only produce better and more accurate content faster than version 1.0, but we also took it to the next level and unlocked unlimited niches. Okay, so there is no longer a niche restriction inside of Create, because we went out there, we made the content not only better, but we were able to make it so that it can write content for absolutely any niche. So you can see here there is an unlimited number of niches, and if I click back here to version 1.0, you can see we had a total of 125 niches in version 1.0. The reason for that is because we were simply limited by the AI engine that we were using. So we completely souped up the AI engine that we were using with Create to train it to write for absolutely any niche. Okay, on top of that, we also added our AI rewriter in here, which I'll show you how that works in this demo video as well. And lastly, we also totally revamped our content editing system so that you can format, optimize, and automatically add relevant images to your content before you post them to your sites. So that is part of our upgrade number 3. All right, another thing that you want to take a look at here is that over the last 10 months, Create has written over 277,000 articles for our customers, and it has posted 2,385 articles to our customers' website. So let's go ahead and jump into this demo video so I can show you exactly how Create 2.0 works and how fast you can come in here and have our platform write highly engaging, unique, quality content for you in a matter of seconds. So all you have to do is come up here to the plus sign, and this is pretty much where the magic happens. Now, like I mentioned, the biggest difference between 1.0 and 2.0 is, number one, we completely overhauled the entire AI engine that creates content for you. So we've got a much bigger, better, and faster engine, a artificially intelligent engine that's going to be writing your content for you. And because we have a new and improved AI engine that writes the content for you, that means that we can now write for any niche as well. So the biggest difference, if I come over here to 1.0, these are the settings for version 1.0. We were extremely limited on the number of niches that you can have content created for. All right, so we had these main niches here, and then within each main niche there was the sub niches that we had in here as well. So you had to come in here and select the niche, select the sub niche, and on top of that, you also needed to provide a starting prompt, which was at least one sentence, which gives Create a good idea of what it should write about. All right, so in version 2.0, we've completely eliminated all three of these options. It can now write for absolutely any niche that you can think of, and you no longer have to provide a starting prompt if you don't want to. So let me go ahead and go back to version 2.0 and show you exactly how this works. So now we've gone ahead and simplified this. All right, so all you literally have to do is come in here and type a niche in this box right here. Additionally, if you rather not type in a niche, you can literally just come here, click this magnifying glass here on the right hand side, and then we do have pre-populated niches that you can pick from to have content written for you in that niche. So you can see we have just about every niche you can think of under the sun inside of Create already pre-populated for you. But if for some reason you don't see your niche in here, that's okay, because like I said, you can now have content written for you in absolutely any niche, and all you have to do is just type it in here. So one niche in particular that we don't have in our pre-populated list is NFTs, for example. So if I type in NFTs here, I can get a piece of content written for me around the NFT niche. All right. Now, specifically, if I want to create some topics on where to go with the article, then I can go ahead and put that down here. All right. And you can see we do have some help text here to kind of give you an idea of what topics should look like. So something like, what is cryptocurrency, investing in cryptocurrency, ways to spend cryptocurrency. So for the NFT niche, I'm going to go ahead and type in what is an NFT and where can I buy an NFT. So now Create knows that I want a article written around the NFT niche, but specifically I want it to cover what is an NFT and where can I buy an NFT. All right, so from this point, all I have to do here is hit start. And now Create 2.0 will write an article for me around the NFT niche covering those two specific topics. All right, another example would be, like I said before, cryptocurrency, and we'll type in what is cryptocurrency, investing in cryptocurrency, and ways to spend cryptocurrency. So this is us pretty much guiding Create on what we want our content to be about. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start on that one as well. And now I kind of just want to show you, if you come back in here and all you want to do is just select the niche and you really don't want to guide the topic of the article at all, literally all you have to do is just, again, come in here, select the niche, hit start, and that is it. That is literally all you have to do, okay? It literally takes seconds for anyone to come in here and be able to do that. All right, now let's take a look at some of these some of this content as well, so you can see the quality of the content. So if we read some of this, in this article we will be discussing the topic of non-fungible tokens. NFTs are tokens that represent a specific item. For example, if you buy an NFT token for a rare Pokemon card, you can trade it with other players or even sell it to another player for a profit. They can be bought and sold on various exchanges like Cryptopia, KuCoin, and others. These NFTs are unique and cannot be replaced by any other. Perfectly readable intro to that article there, and you can see it also covers the other topic that I wanted is where can I buy an NFT, and then it took it upon itself to cover another topic, why are NFTs so important. So even though I supplied it with two topics that I wanted to cover, our artificial intelligence felt like it still wasn't enough, so it continued writing and it included why NFTs are so important. All right, so that is another powerful side to our artificial intelligence, is that it will continue to write your article until it feels that it has covered enough value to stop writing. All right, and let me go ahead and take this and bring it over to Copyscape, so you can go ahead and see that this is truly unique content. So if I type that in there, hit premium search, you can see no results found for 325 words. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other content as well. So if I close this out, let's take a look at the acne one. Alright, if you are suffering from acne right now, then you are about to be introduced to some of the most powerful new acne treatments on the market today. Alright, perfect. Let me go ahead and copy this to show you that this is also unique content as well. And I know I'm going pretty fast through this as well. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and post some of the examples of content that Create 2.0 writes for you below this video so you can read that on your own time. Alright, no results found there. Alright, and now let's take a look at the last one, which was around cryptocurrency. So investing in cryptocurrency, there is a new revolution going on in the financial markets, and it is called cryptocurrency. In the world of finance, there are many terms used that can be confusing to understand. For example, if you have heard of the term Bitcoin before, chances are that you already know what it means. However, you may not know what a blockchain is or how it relates to Bitcoin. This article will explain these terms and their meaning so that you can make an informed decision about your investment choices. So then it covers the first topic that I asked it to cover, which is what is cryptocurrency. And then down here it says how to invest in cryptocurrency. So that was the other topic that I wanted it to cover. And you can see it wrote 519 words in this article. So let me go ahead and copy this and bring it over to Copyscape and run this one final search, okay? And there you go, you can see no results found for 526 words. So it's that easy and that fast and that powerful to come in here and have Create 2.0 write content for you. It literally takes 2 seconds to come in here and either write a niche, write your topics, or just simply select a niche from the ones that we have pre-populated. Alright, that's how easy and how fast and how much more powerful Create 2.0 is than version 1.0. Now we also have our powerful rewriter. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab this content here and show you how the rewriter works. So let's, for example, say that that piece of content that I just copied is a unique piece of content. But before I actually do that, you'll see that here is one that I just rewrote previously as well, which was all around NFTs as well. So if we read this, you'll see that both of these are very similar pieces of content, but one has been rewritten. Here on the right-hand side is a new version of this article, so we can go ahead and read some of that. NFT is a technology which has been developed in the last decade. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are unique tokens that can only be used once and cannot be duplicated. Let me read some of this on this side. NFTs are a type of cryptographic tokens. They are unique and cannot be duplicated. So boom, it said the same exact thing. This side is a little bit shorter, but that first sentence pretty much said the same exact thing, just in a different way. All right, so let me go ahead and show you. All you have to do is come in here, paste the content that you want rewritten here, and again, it can be any content. It can be yours or it can be someone else's content, and all you have to do is click rewrite, and that's it. The same process that you just saw is going to happen. It's going to take the content that's on this slide and rewrite it into a totally unique version. All right, so there you can see that within a matter of seconds, this piece of content was turned into this piece of content. Let's go ahead and read some of it as well. NFTs or non-fungible tokens are unique assets that have value based on their unique characteristics. They are not like any other assets because they cannot be traded for other assets. Let's go ahead and read some of this. A token is an asset that is only valuable for its unique characteristics. You cannot trade them for any other asset. Each NFT has its own unique characteristics, and these characteristics are what makes it valuable. So boom, right there, though they say the same exact thing, but in a different way. All right, so this is how powerful our rewriter is. It literally allows you to take any piece of content that's out there, whether it's yours or not, and turn it into your own unique version without having to worry about getting hit with a plagiarism lawsuit. All right, so that is our rewriter and how powerful it works. Another powerful update that we have in here as well is when we are posting content onto your site for you. So if I come here and show this one, when we go to post to your site, and again, this is part of this particular upgrade is part of our upgrade number 3. So if you do pick that up, then you will be getting access to this. Okay, so what our upgrade number 4 is, where we have totally revamped our content editing system so that you can format, optimize, and automatically add relevant images to your content. That is where this happens, okay? It allows you to really get your content dialed in before it goes to your site. And another thing that we added here on the left is the ability to add relevant images to your content as well. So obviously it pulled in art because NFTs do have to pretty much do with right now specifically art and music and stuff like that. So that's another thing that it did automatically, which was it pulled keywords from the article and tagged the article as well. So as soon as boom, you find an image that you like, you hit the plus sign and you can immediately insert that there. All right, so if I do something around finance as well, all right, we can go ahead and add a finance image in here and make that go to the right. All right, and obviously you can add your H1 tags, your H2 tags, you can add links. You can pretty much really format and optimize this as much or as little as you like before you post that to your site. All right, so this is, again, part of our upgrade number 3 option, where you'll be able to get access to our Connect plugin, which will allow you to create to your site or your client sites and have content posted directly to those sites. So I will have a separate video as well as a separate section on the sales page that will go into depth on what the upgrades are. So make sure you do pay attention to that video or that section on the sales page so that you know what the upgrades are. But besides that, this is Create 2.0 in a nutshell. As you saw, not only have we gone ahead and totally revamped our AI writing engine for way better content and way better accuracy, we've completely removed all niche restrictions so that literally Create 2.0 will write content for you in any niche that you want. Like I showed you, all you have to do is come in here, type in the niche here. And number 3, we've added the most powerful AI content rewriter that you've ever seen. And number 4, we have totally revamped our whole content editing system so that you can format, optimize, and automatically add relevant images to your content. Okay, so we have cut no corners when improving Create. So make sure you do take advantage of this grand opening special that we have going on right now. We have a bunch of bonuses that you will not get outside of this 2.0 launch. So make sure you check out all of that information right below this video, and we look forward to seeing you inside of Create 2.0.
Alright, so that was the software demo that could help you to create content for your website, for your affiliate marketing, or to serve your clients. So if you're new to content creator, then this is the software which is going to help you without you even writing a single word. So if you're in a weight loss category, you can just type in how to lose weight and you would get a detailed content on losing weight. Okay, so you don't have to think, you don't have to search for an idea, and every single content that is going to be created with this software is going to be unique, as you have seen in the software demo. So if you want to grab a copy of this software, put a link right below this video in the description, the first line. Maybe you can click on the link and you would be landed on this page where you can grab the copy of this software. All right, software is called Create, and I would highly recommend those people who are looking to create content on website, on internet, through any kind of content creation. They are looking for to use content creation for affiliate marketing. This is going to be absolutely game changer, because as a newbie, you don't have to have that special skills to create content. With this software, in just 90 seconds, your content creation is almost done. Okay, so if you're interested, you can click the link below this video and get this software while it's still available. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know how you like this video. If you like it, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just click the dislike button. Let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next video, my friend. Till the next time, have a great day and see you there. Bye-bye.